Hello friends, welcome to City Walk. Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to City Walk Dubai. This is the glorious place in the middle of the city in Dubai downtown. You can reach here easily by Red Line Metro from Burj Khalifa metro station, or bus would be even more best option to reach this place. And if you have private vehicle, then there is a good parking space available for you. Guys, we are at City Walk Dubai. This is one in all spot for shopping, dine, entertainment and much more. So let's walk around this beautiful place and explore it together. This place is known for high-end creative lifestyle destination. It is a space where you can live, work and play. This offers visitors an open and design-inspired neighborhood in the heart of Dubai. Catch this place with your friends, family or for your alone time. This is a dynamic spot where you can walk around with the stunning view of Burj Khalifa. This is the best place where you can spend your evening by exploring the diverse options of shopping and dine. There are hundreds of exclusive shops, restaurants and leisure activities for kids and family. No doubt you will get amazed by its remarkable and bright appearance. Here you will also get to see small fountain show in the evening time. Unfortunately, I am unable to show you this in my video since it was under maintenance for few days by the time I visited this place. The city walk is open from 10 am to 12 am, but the time sometimes varies as per public holidays. There are various play and learn spaces available for kids, like Green Planet Rainforest and La La Land Indoor Playing Area. To have playtime for long-term educational purpose, children and parents adore Honeybee Nursery. Also for elders, there is a Canadian University, which is the best option for entrepreneurship, creativity and innovation. So we can say that this is the amusement as well as the learning space. For more details about it, you can check City Walk Dubai official website. Overall, this is a good place for plush shopping, classic dining and sophisticated lifestyle experience. This is a stunning place drenched with the light and modern approach.
This was our short and sweet trip to City Walk Dubai. Hope you also love this trip. Thank you so much for watching and keep traveling with Bhramantik.